Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's and this is a typical old style carburetor on a Briggs & Stratton engine. Fuel tank, carburetor. Let's zoom in on this little bit here. A bit, right. That's a blanking plug for when you hit the primer bulb. But watch what happens when I hit the primer. I've had these leak from there before, but I've never ever seen the pin come out like that. Anyway, I'm going to have to either replace the carburetor, but I've got to take the carburetor off, clean all this area up, find some way of securing that and stopping it from leaking for the customer. But yeah, I've never seen one do that before like that. Take care folks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.